In this lecture, we will see how to create 3D practice exercise 14. You can see here elevation view, side view, top view and 3D view. Go to here, click here new, select here 3D practice template, click open. Then go to here, you can see here this is length 150 mm, width 80 mm. Go to here, select here box, click here, select here length, make it like this 150, then press enter. This side 80, then press enter. Next we need to make it height. You can see here height 65 mm, 65, then press enter. Next we need to remove this location. First we need to copy this edge and we need to place it in 40. Go to here copy edges, select this one, press enter, click here, place it like this 40, then press enter, press escape key, go to here. Next we need to copy this edge and we need to place it in 15. Go to here copy edges, select this one, press enter, click here, make it like this 15, press enter, press escape key, just go to the press pull, click here and click here, press escape key, select this line, delete it. Next we need to remove this one. You can see here horizontal 15 and this direction 50. Go to here, select here top, that is very important, already it is in top. Then go to here rectangle, click here, select here dimension, make it 15, then press enter, 50, then press enter, click here, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint and place it here. Then go to here press pull, click here and click here, press escape key, select this one, delete it. If you go this side, you can see here what we created, that press pull. Next we need to make it this cutout, means this one size, this direction. You can see here 40 minus 15, you will get it 25. This one it is 25. Then this direction it is 40. Just go to here, go to the rectangle, click in location, dimension, make it 25, then press enter. This direction it is 40, make it 40, then press enter, click any location, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint and click this midpoint. Next we need to make it this one 30. Go to here press pull, click here, make it like this minus 30, press enter, you will get it this one, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it this fillet edge for radius 10. Go to here solid, select here fillet edge, select here radius 10, then press enter, click this edge, then press double enter, make it like this. Again go to the fillet edge, already we given radius, so we don't want to make any changes. Click this edge, press double enter, it is ready. Next we need to make it this slot. You can see the slot dimension 50, radius 5, so diameter 10. Go to here, go to the home, select here rectangle, click any location, select here dimension, make it this horizontal dimension, it is 50, then press enter. Width is 10, then press enter, click any location. Next we need to make it fillet in this. Just go to the fillet, make it radius 5, then press enter, select here polyline, select this one. We need to place it exactly this middle. After that we need to move for 20. Select this one, go to the move command, click this point and click this midpoint. Select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it like this 20, then press enter. You can see here this 20. Then go to here, select here press pull, click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to create this hole also. You can see here hole radius, it is 5 mm. We need to place it here. After that we can move this side. Go to the circle, click here, make it 5, then press enter. Next we need to move that circle this side 45. Select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it 45, then press enter. Next we need to move the circle inside 15. Select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it this side 15, then press enter. Next we need to copy this one for 50. Select this one, copy, click here, make it 50, then press enter, press escape key, select here top, then select this one, type MI in keyboard, press enter, click this midpoint and click here, press enter, then go to here southeast isometric, then select here press pull, click here and click here. Similar way, click here, make it like this, continue the same, finish. Press escape key, select this circle, delete it. Next we need to make it this chamfer also. You can see here distance 1 and distance 2, 25. Go to here, go to the solid tab, select here chamfer edge, select here distance, make it 25, then press enter, 25, then press enter. Select this one, press double enter, press enter. We can repeat the same command. Select this edge, press double enter, it is finished. Next you can arrange this drawing inside layout. Already you know how to arrange this all the thing. Just go to here layout, then select here layout tab, go to the base, from model space, click here, this is elevation, press enter, make it side view, top view and 3D view, then press enter, you will get it everything. Select this one, go to here edit, you can make changes in this, shaded with visible edge. Visibility you can make it in tangent edge, we don't want tangent. You can see here this tangent, click here no, the tangent will remove, then press enter, you will get it everything. Next you can create the dimension. Already you know how to create dimension and all, and you can make changes this all the thing, and you can save the drawing, you can print the drawing. How to make dimension, how to print the drawing, how to save the drawing, if you don't know, please go to the exercise number 1, you will get it idea about that.